What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Out here in the garage on a hot and humid day with a really cool product I want to share. But first, I gotta tell you, did a improvement here in the garage, and hopefully it'll make it a little more comfortable on days like this. I absolutely love my garage. It is a great place to hang out and work, but there's one thing that I always hated about it, and that's how hot it gets in the summer. I'm gonna put a video here of how hot it was last week when the temperatures were in the high 90s. So today, as you can see, it's about 82 degrees in here, which is actually pretty good. It's a lot warmer than that outside. It's hot, it's humid. And what I've been able to do, my buddy Joe hooked it up. We came in, you can see it right up there. It's an 18-inch shutter fan, exhaust fan, blowing out all of that hot air. It's super quiet, and it actually does a noticeable job in making, just cooling it down a little bit. It's never gonna be cool in here. I don't have air conditioning. This is a detached garage. Just did a great job, super clean install. Looks great on the outside and on the inside. But back to today's product. First of all, forgive the mess. I got a lot of projects going on, a lot of stuff here, a lot of car keys going on. But here's what I got, and I got this from Dusty Creek Designs. Awesome to deal with. And what this is a custom hood prop for car shows. And I've seen people make these, but I wanted something special. Let me show you what I got. Check that out. I don't know if you can actually see. It's made of acrylic, black acrylic with white. That was what I wanted for my car. This locks into the top of the hood. This is, and I asked her for the correct Terminator Cobra, and she was able to do it. She was awesome to work with. It did not come with a bolt. I used a 6mm Allen head bolt and a nut. Nothing crazy, didn't super tighten it. It does the job absolutely perfect. Guys, this was a screaming deal for under $100, and it's super high quality. And it's something you could throw out at car shows, and it just, it makes it look kind of cool for, Terminator geeks like me. There you go. Dusty Creek Designs. I'll show you how to put it on the car. Pop the hood. So this top part right here locks into the hood opening right there, and this bolt right here is going to hit right into this hood latch, just like this. And that's it. So I'm not a complete car show junkie, but you know what? That looks really cool. Like I said, the white with the white, you can still see the engine, but it's a nice presentation. Like I said, I've seen people make metal ones. Never seen this kind of 3D acrylic. I think it looks sick. Absolutely sick, and like I said, it is the correct one, and I will leave a link down below where you can buy your own prop. I just love shouting out really cool products like this, so shout out to Dusty Creek Designs. What an amazing job they did. They can pretty much do anything because she took my direction on this and made this for me. I don't think this was available prior to me purchasing it. So there you have it, a quick product review. Absolutely love it. Under $100, custom made, strong acrylic. I think it looks sick on the car. Like I said, not a big car show person, but I still think it looks pretty cool. Keep your hood up and give it a little bit of that Terminator dorky feel and look. Like I said, I will leave a link down below where you can pick your own up. And I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.